All right, today we're doing Cajun cracklins down here in Louisiana in Cajun land. We call it gratons. It's nothing more than fried pork skin. So let's rock and chop and let's get it done. All right, so let's rock and chop here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the pork bellies into 1-inch squares. So let's get started on that. And I always go with the skin side up, as you can see here. And while I'm chopping this down to 1-inch squares, I have the oil heating up to 200 degrees. That is going to be the next step in the pot. And what we're doing is we're using just a little bit because the pork skins, the pork bellies are going to render down and give us a lot more to deep fry it. All right, we have the temp of the oil around 200 degrees. So let's go ahead and start throwing the pork in now. All right, it is time to fry. Y'all ready? So let's go ahead and get the pork belly chunks in the hot grease. We have 5 pounds of pork belly here. You can actually do this in your house. And you know, so many people don't have everything set up outside. And this is a way of really saving yourself a lot of money because a lot of people on keto really love cracklins. So give me a second and let's get it started. All right. We have the temp at 310. We are ready to start pulling it out. After we pull these out, we're gonna let it rest and cool before we go ahead and start crackling and popping. So that will be the next step. So we're gonna put it in the fridge here in a moment, and then we're gonna finish and complete the process. All right, they are popped. They have done their crackling. And we need to take it out as fast as possible and season them quickly, otherwise the season won't stick to it. Quickly, immediately go ahead and season them up, otherwise it will not stick to them. So that's going to be the last step. We're going to let them cool off a little bit and we're going to chow down on a few. All right, we are done. And I'm telling you what, guys, this is amazing treat for my Cajun keto family. It's probably one of the best. The skin is almost like a potato chip, crunchy, and the inside, the fat, is almost like a buttery taste. It's amazing. Can you hear that? We got some crunch going down. Anyway, we had a great time today. Thank y'all so much for visiting. We're looking forward to, we're gonna do a series on different ingredients and seasonings on the next crackling videos. So I'm looking forward to seeing y'all then. Love y'all all. Goodbye.